Hi everyone, I'm Ian.
I'm Fran. We're in the beautiful Balderan
To run in the amazing events of the UTMB World Series.
Came from Chile. I'm a teacher. I was the principal of a school for 15 years, and then I decided to quit my job to travel and run ultra races too.
I'm originally from New Zealand. I was an engineer in a past life, but I haven't done that for many years now. Now a full-time ultra runner.
I start my hikings to be alone, in peace, in silence, in the hills. I think that I really challenge myself. My biggest power is my mind. I really wanted to travel and run beautiful races around the world. This was my biggest thing, you know. Hours and hours suffering and enjoying on the hills. This is what I love.
I love the mental challenge, and motivation-wise, I don't struggle with getting out there in the mountains. As we've gotten older, you think one day I won't be able to do this, so today I can. So I want to make the most of it. The honesty of nature. You can't fake a trail race. There's nothing false about it. It's exactly where it is. You're in the outdoors. You're at its mercy.
I always say it's never too late to do what you love, to find something that you're passionate about. And I found the trails and the hills, and this is the thing that really makes my soul on fire.
The number one essential for me is always coffee. Just enjoying life, living each moment, enjoying each day.
First one is freedom. If you don't do the things that you want at 50, it's when.
Yeah. So I hope you guys found out a little bit more about us.
Yeah, to see about our story.
Yeah, it's a cool story, isn't it? And we'll see all of you out there on the trails in one of the many races in the UTMB World Series.
Ciao.
Ciao.